the next question, question 4. Given that y is inversely proportional to the square of x, okay, copy and complete the table shown below. Okay, so the first thing to do now is to write these statements in mathematical expression, and that will be y. There is inversely, that 1 over as what? As this. Okay, the square of this variable. Then, and this will be equal to y equal to what? K over what? Over s squared. So then the next thing to do now is to check the table. Which area, which column is complete? Yes, complete. We have the value for this, we have the value for this. So when x is 4, y is 9. So let's plug in there. That's 9 equal to k. K over x is 4 squared. So k is equal to 9 times 4 squared is what? 16. So that will give us 144. If you multiply 16 times 9, that's 144. So then we can connect the relationship together, and that will be y equal to k is what? 144 over what? Over this. Okay, so that's a relationship that connects this function and this one together. So then the next thing to do now is to go to the first one, when y is 4. Let's get the corresponding value for what? For this. So that will be equal to 4 equal to 144 over what? Over x squared. And that will give me, make this one the subject. We have this equal to what? 144 over 4. So that will give us what? So that 36. So x is what? X is that 6. So we've gotten this place now. You can plug in the value there, that's 6. Then the next one is when we have x as 3. So y will be equal to what? Y will be equal to 144 over what? 3 squared. That's 144. So that will be equal to 16. So you can put that one there also. You've gotten this place, that's 16. Then the next one, when y is 25, the third one, when y is 25, we have 25 equal to 144 over this. So make this one the subject, make this one the subject. So we have this square equal to 144 over 25. And then x is equal to what? Square root of what? 144 over what? Over 25. And that will be 12 over 5. So this place is what? 12 over 5. Okay? Then lastly, when x is 2, when x is 2, y will be equal to what? 144 over what? Over x squared. Then we now have 144 over what? Over 2 squared. And that's 144 over 4. Okay? So that will give us what? That's 36. That's 36. So this place is what? 36. And that finished that question. Okay? At this moment, if you have yet to subscribe, please, there's a watermark on the video. Quickly click on it and subscribe. Not just that, okay, but also click on the like button, type your comments, and finally share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Join the next video also on joint variation. The next video will be joint variation.